Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get 4K quality on mobile using CapCut and Wink. So if you want your videos to look crisp, clean and cinematic even from your phone, in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how to export in 4K quality using CapCut and Wink on mobile, so you can upgrade your content like a pro. So first, what you need to do is just open the CapCut applications, then open your projects. So here I've already opened mine. Then you can just copy my what I'm doing in here. So go to effects, video effects, and now find this effect, dance flash. Sorry. Okay, this one here, click on effects and follow my adjustments. So just lower all of the settings into 0, so you'll only get the flash. Click on a check icon. Don't forget to adjust to your clips in here. And the second effects, you can find chromatic effects in here. Okay, this one. So for this effect, you can just adjust the effects based on your video. So I'm going to just lower the intensity and also the aberration here. Now we can just click on the check icon. Next, you can just go to adjust, and here you can follow my adjustment. So for the brightness, increase it to 6, contrast 5, saturation, increase it again to 6, and last one, click on sharpen and increase it to around 10. Click on a check icon, and now what you need to do is just export the video. So after you export the video, you can just close CapCut and then open Wing applications on your phone. So in here on the Wing app, you can just click AI repair options and choose the basic options. Click on try now, then just select your the videos that you've just exported from CapCut. Okay, just wait for the result. And in here you can just turn off the other options except this one, quality restoration. So you can just choose the quality that you want. So I'm going to just go with Ultra HD. Click on this one, auto, and now it will be processing your videos. You can just wait until it's done, and after that you'll get the 4K quality that you want. So that's pretty much all. So this quality is perfect for content creators, vloggers, or anyone who wants their mobile videos to look next level. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.